Let's talk GBP yen. A couple of weeks ago, we said that a break to 196.43 can lift us with about 158 pip. That has just happened. We had breakout just a couple of hours ago, and now the trend is bullish. And a good reason to actually be bullish on this move is because if you remember, in the beginning of June, late May, I think it was May 27th, we actually said that this was turning into a large ascending triangle. This is your yen. That actually triggered in its way on its way towards profit. So when you have something like your yen pushing to the upside, then the probability that GBP yen is also going to succeed increases dramatically. And how can we trade this then? Ascending triangle, you got 1, 2, 3 resistance points, and we measure here, take this difference, add it to the break neckline, and then push to the upside. What's also interesting here as well is, of course, that we have sort of clearly pushing above these levels here. So the way to trade this is actually very straightforward. One would go long on a break to this level, and then when we go along, the breakout just happened. That's a long time ago. The idea would have been for this to quickly push to the upside, which it has done. So it has met that objective. Then we need to place a level where the price shouldn't touch. So that will be just below the low here. So that's a 96 pip risk versus a potential reward of uh, 463 pip. So that's a reward ratio of 4.8. So what would be a reasonable level where the price could reach? If we look at this, you have these highs here. So the price could easily go down here, and that wouldn't really change the short-term trend, and because we just bouncing those supporters, so we a little bit more than a 50% correction. And then again, we're not below that level. And going forward now, people that are not long are people going to buy at that breakout point. Alternatively, let this go a little bit lower. Everybody else is just going to wait, and hopefully it's just going to push a little bit higher, and it's going to push a little bit lower, and then probably up again. And then whenever we have a swing low here, we can probably do something like this. In the case of your yen, you can actually clearly see here how you already had a retest, how you had a proper breakout here, and then you had a strong retest of that level. And so here the stop loss could go here. Alternatively, it could go as close as this level down here. And that's today's update for GBP yen. What's your take? Share your comments below.